Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix controller or gamepad not working in Crimson Desert game. So here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to enable disable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Crimson Desert. This is just an example I am showing with another game. So you have to right click on Crimson Desert game and then select properties. Then go to the controller tab and here select enable Steam input first and then just restart the game. And after restarting the game, just check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then again go to the Crimson Desert game properties and go to controller tab and this time select disable Steam input and then again restart the game. And after restarting the game, check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2, press the Alt plus Enter keys. So try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the issue. Now check if the controller is working in Crimson Desert or not. Fix 3 is to disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. So other peripherals on your PC like third-party game controllers or any plug peripherals such as USB devices, pen drive, phone, camera or additional controllers, display, mouse, keyboard might conflict with the game. So remove such peripherals and then check if it fixes the problem or not. Fix 4, check if controller is properly connected. So check and make sure that your controller is connected properly to your PC. If you are using a wireless controller, check if it is paired correctly. If you are using a wired controller, then try plugging it into different ports and then check. You can also test your controller on different systems to identify the problem. Fix 5 is to use a wired controller. This is an alternative solutions. Maybe game have some bugs or glitches at present and your wireless controller is not working. So if you are having wired controller, then connect it and then play the game as of now. And this is the last solution, restart Steam, restart PC. So close Steam from task manager, then relaunch Steam and then launch Crimson Desert game and check. If that doesn't help, then restart your PC, run Steam as an admin and then launch the game and check. So by following these steps, you can easily solve controller or gamepad not working in Crimson Desert game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.